In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a MoneyLion Credit Builder loan. If you've decided that the Credit Builder loan isn't right for you anymore, or you simply want to explore other financial options, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to easily cancel your loan with MoneyLion. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your MoneyLion account. This is your starting point for managing all your MoneyLion services, including the Credit Builder loan. Once you're logged in, navigate to your homepage. This is where you'll find all the features and options available to you as a MoneyLion user. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, direct your attention to the search bar, which is typically situated at the top of the page. In this search bar, you'll want to type in Credit Builder. This is a quick way to locate the specific service you wish to cancel. The search function is very handy when you're trying to find something specific without having to browse through multiple menus. Once you've entered Credit Builder into the search bar, you'll see a list of results. Look for the option that says Credit Builder Plus. This is the section that contains information about your current loan. Click on Credit Builder Plus to proceed. At this point, your screen might take a few moments to load the details, so be patient as the information populates. After the page is fully loaded, you should see an option to cancel the loan. The interface should guide you through the cancellation process, but if you encounter any issues or if the option isn't readily visible, you may need to contact MoneyLion customer support for assistance. They can provide additional support and ensure that your cancellation is processed correctly. And there you have it. That's how you cancel a MoneyLion Credit Builder loan. Remember, it's important to review the terms and conditions of canceling your loan, as there may be financial implications or penalties associated with early cancellation. Also, consider any credit implications this might have and make sure it aligns with your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating the process of canceling your MoneyLion Credit Builder loan. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to MoneyLion support or leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and manage your finances wisely.